Hi guys, welcome back to your weekly dose of life-work balance. In today's video, we look at the importance of recovery after working out. It's not only how you exercise, but also how long you give your body time to rest so it can repair and strengthen itself. My name is Sabrina Cadini. I'm your holistic precision life coach and the creator of the life-work balance system, helping you live and work better thanks to customized lifestyle changes. If you'd like to learn more, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the bell to receive notifications every time I have new content for you. I'm sure many of you have your workout routine planned out for the week. You know when you're going to exercise and what to focus on. But do you also have a recovery schedule? Or better yet, do you know how long your body needs to recover? Taking a rest day or more after exercise is as important as the workout itself. This is because exercise puts the body under a degree of stress, and recovery helps the body repair the damaged tissue and muscles and strengthen itself. In episode 8 of this video series, I talked about how that stress in our muscles, also called hormesis, prompts them to grow, which is great. But muscles can only grow if we give them time to recover. Otherwise, the tissue will not repair. And if we don't rest between trainings and we keep pushing ourselves every single day, we may overtrain, leading to a decrease in performance and even loss of strength and fitness. We basically get the opposite results, and this affects the entire body, touching our hormonal, nutritional, mental, musculoskeletal, and neurological systems. Whenever you feel fatigued, depressed, with constant muscle soreness, or you get easily injured, it's time to take a break. Today, I'll share some tips to help you with your recovery. And I'll also tell you how you can discover your ideal recovery time. So keep watching. Tip number 1 is schedule your recovery days in your calendar. Be diligent about this so that you can take advantage of the benefits of exercise and you can stay consistent without having to stop because of an injury. This doesn't necessarily mean that you should do nothing during your rest days. Active recovery is better than passive recovery to remove metabolic waste. You can do something very low impact like walking, yoga, or stretching. Massage is also excellent as it helps increase oxygen and blood flow into your muscles and remove lactic acid buildup. This is the reason why you feel sore. And you can also use foam rollers on critical areas or the latest technology gadgets like massage guns. Tip number 2, replenish your body. Your recovery plan should include the right foods to restore your body's energy supply and water to rehydrate your stressed muscles. A 3-to-1 ratio of carbohydrates to protein is a good rule of thumb for building lean muscle mass, and drinking water with electrolytes can be very beneficial. By the way, I have an entire video about hydration for you, episode 29 of this video series, and I'll link it here in case you missed it. Tip number 3, don't forget about sleep. Our body recovers when we sleep, and it can help you achieve your fitness goals better and faster. It enhances athletic performance, it improves muscle recovery, and it helps you reduce the risk of injury. Tip number 4 is actually my pitch for this video. Know how long your body needs to recover. Many of my clients always ask me what's best for exercising. Should they work out every day, more strength or more aerobics, rest every other day? Well, we're all different, and it's hard to tell them what works best not knowing who they are genetically. Evidence shows that how we respond to exercise is influenced by genetics. Variations in our genetic profile can help explain why some people see a better response to different types of exercise. Research has also shown that certain genetic variations are associated with a delay in recovery between exercise. People with these variations should take extra care with their training plan and rest more often. Now, the big question is, how can you find out if you need a longer recovery than 24 hours? I can help you with my program, Regenerate Your Lifestyle. After taking a DNA test, you will receive a comprehensive report that will show you how your body responds to inflammation and toxins with intense exercise. If you recover slowly, you will need a longer time between training sessions for your body to recuperate. In addition to your recovery efficiency, the report will also provide useful markers related to your optimal fitness training based on genes affecting your power, endurance, and strength capacity, your aerobic trainability, your injury predisposition, and your muscle mass predisposition. Plus, the best diet for you, nutrient needs, your sleep chronotype, and how you respond to stress. And with this information in our hands, I can help you achieve your goals better and faster. No more guesswork. You know which strategies are best specifically for you. You can find more information about the program in the info box below, and you can always schedule a complimentary clarity call with me to discuss more in detail and see if this is the best solution for you before you make a decision. I'll see you in episode 31 of your weekly dose of life work balance next week, where we'll go back to the rest pillar and I'll share tips on how to optimize your sleeping environment, your bedroom, for better rest. If you liked this video and you want to see more, make sure you share it with your friends, give it thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell so you will get notified when I have new video content. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to live life fully. Bye, guys.